How to add a payment method on TEMU. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update TEMU to the latest version. After updating it, open up TEMU on your device. Now wait for the screen to load. Now once the app opens, tap on New at the bottom center. Then open up settings at the top right corner. Now click on your payment methods. Now click on add a credit or debit card. Now on this page, fill up your details. Now once you fill up all of them, click on add your card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.